Hi friends, today in this video we will learn how to download Python and install it. Let us start without wasting our time. Open any web browser, like here I am opening Google Chrome. Type here google.com, press the enter key, Google will open. So in the Google search engine, type download Python, press the enter key. Then this website will come. This link is there to the website www.python.org, and then there is the downloads. Click on this download Python. Now by default here it will be showing the latest version of the Python, that is 3.13.1. You can download the older version also, like this is my window 11. I will go to the download section, then the Windows. Then here Python releases for Windows. Latest Python is 3.13.1, and if I will scroll down here, Python 3.12.8 I can download, and this is 32-bit and 64-bit. It depends on the operating system, what kind of operating system you have installed. So here if I want to check my operating system, it is 32-bit or 64-bit. How I can do that? Let us minimize this. Then go to this my computer or this PC icon, right click on it. Here properties option is there. Click on the properties option. Then device specifications will be opened. Here system type. Here it is written 64-bit operating system, 64 based processor. Means my operating system is 64-bit. So I will download the Python 64-bit. So here let us go to the now Google Chrome, where we have opened the website. Here if my system is not supporting these versions, latest versions, I can scroll down and go for the older versions like 3.11. So my system is latest system, I will download the latest Python release. This is the 3 release Python 3.13.1. I will click on it. So this is the first maintenance release of Python 3.13. So there is some issue in downloading this file. So let us go back. I can download now Python older version. So here 64-bit Python installer is there, window installer 3.12.8 version. So I will click on this. So this downloaded is started. 25.8 MB Python file is downloaded. From here let us go to the folder where it is downloaded. So here in the downloads folder, from here I can check downloads folder, it is there. So I will now double click on this file to start the installation. Now I will install now. So Python installation has been started. Let us wait for a while to get it done. As the installation process is going on, the video will be skipped. Python is installed in my system. Now I will close this message box, and on the search bar I can type IDLE Python app. Here it is ideally Python 3.12. I will click on it, double click. So here Python is shell is opened. So now its font size is too small. I can increase the font size from the options, then configure ideally. So here font size option is there. Let me take it 20 and apply and OK. So it's now enough readable size. This is how you can download and install the Python. Thanks for watching. I hope you would have liked the video. If liked, please share with your friends, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.